Hello, did you know that there is a silent problem in your body that could be the leading cause of heart attacks and strokes? I'm talking about the buildup of fat and cholesterol in your arteries, a real danger that affects the health of millions of people. But the good news is that the solution may be closer than you think. Today, I'm going to show you 3 powerful fruits that can be the key to cleaning your arteries, protecting your heart, and helping you achieve lasting health. And all of this in a 100% natural way. Many people don't realize it, but what we eat every day can be silently contributing to a serious problem, atherosclerosis. This is when fat and cholesterol accumulate on the walls of the arteries, creating plaques that harden them and block blood flow. Imagine a hose gradually becoming clogged. If you care about having a strong heart and living longer with vitality, you need to understand how to combat this. The good news is that the path starts in your kitchen. But first, enjoy the video, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our health tips, and activate the bell to receive notifications. And also spread this knowledge with your friends and family. By sharing, you will be helping more people. So share it and tell me, which of these 3 fruits in the video do you consume the most to clean your arteries, and where in the world are you from? Write it down in the comments below. Let's go! In this video, we'll explore the power of 3 amazing fruits for your artery health: pomegranate, avocado, and berries. Get ready to discover how they can be your greatest allies in the quest for a stronger, healthier heart. First fruit, pomegranate, the antioxidant superhero. The first superhero on our list is pomegranate. This stunning fruit is not only beautiful, it is loaded with powerful antioxidants such as polyphenols and anthocyanins. Think of them as little soldiers that fight oxidative stress and, more importantly, inflammation in your arteries. Inflammation is one of the main factors that cause plaque buildup, and pomegranate works tirelessly to reverse this process. Studies show that pomegranate juice can even help improve blood circulation. To reap these benefits, add a glass of 100% natural pomegranate juice to your routine, or sprinkle the red seeds on salads, yogurt, and even a bowl of oatmeal. It's a simple but incredibly powerful step to protect your heart. Second fruit, avocado, the good cholesterol ally. Now, let's talk about our second hero, the avocado. Although many avoid it because it is high in fat, it is actually one of your heart's best friends. Avocados are loaded with healthy monounsaturated fats, such as oleic acid, the same found in olive oil. These fats are incredibly effective at increasing HDL cholesterol, the famous good cholesterol, which acts as a garbage collector, sweeping bad cholesterol from your arteries. At the same time, it helps reduce LDL cholesterol, which is the main culprit in plaque formation. To enjoy these benefits, add slices of avocado to your toast, salads, or mix it into a creamy smoothie. It's a delicious way to nourish your body and keep your arteries clean. Third fruit, berries, the anti-inflammatory army. And finally, we have the powerful army of berries. Strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are not only delicious, they are veritable bombs of flavonoids and anthocyanins, the compounds that give them their vibrant colors. These antioxidants have an incredibly strong anti-inflammatory effect, acting directly to protect your arteries. They help relax the walls of blood vessels, improving blood flow and preventing hardening of the arteries. Several studies have shown that regular consumption of berries can lower blood pressure and improve vascular function, essential factors for optimal cardiovascular health. To include them in your diet, add a handful of berries to your morning cereal, mix them into a smoothie, or simply eat them as a quick and healthy snack. Remember, every fruit you choose, every healthy habit you adopt is an investment in your long-term health. Your body is your greatest asset, and you are solely responsible for taking care of it in the best way possible. If these tips were useful to you and inspired you to make a change, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more natural health tips. And comment below, which of these fruits will you add to your diet today? Remember, the journey to full health and a strong heart begins with a single step. And today, you already know exactly what you need to start taking care of your arteries from the inside out. Your future health will thank you. And don't forget to consult your doctor to make informed choices. Want to continue learning about health? Watch these videos on our channel. Eat sweet potatoes every day and see what happens to your body. And if you've eaten raw onions, watch this. Even just one can trigger an irreversible reaction. And the best playlist on caring for your liver's health. Thank you for staying with me until the end. May we all be blessed with health and life. Let's work together to protect our well-being. See you in the next video. Thank you very much.